Hello children, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is famous symbols. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is the meaning of symbols? Beta, symbols means some sort of signs. For example, every day in the maths you are using 4 symbols every day: the addition sign, the subtraction sign, the multiplication sign, the division sign. These signs are also called symbols, and you also use symbol of greater than and smaller than also. So today we are going to discuss some very useful symbols which you all should know and which are very useful for you when you go outside of your house, and you must know what that symbol stands for. So let's begin. I will show you some slides and you have to see them. So the first slide shows 2 fingers which are forming a V. So this symbol shows V for victory. Whenever there is a match, or there is an election, or there is a game, and the winner team always shows this sign when they win. So V stands for the victorious team. Even when you get good marks and you come first in your class, you can also use this sign to show to your friends that you are victorious in your class, you have passed. Now the next picture shows 2 checkered flags. They just look like a chessboard, and they are used at every end of the race, even in the Olympics or Asian Games or any ordinary games also. People use these flags at the end of the race. So that means when you are running a race and if you see these 2 flags, it means that is the end part of the race. It means the race is over at that point where these flags are hoisted. So this is a dangerous sign of a skull and bones. You know where this is placed? It is placed on any dangerous place, for example on the electrical poles or near the dams where there is fear of drowning. These signs are put up. So wherever you see these signs, keep away from that side. Don't go to that site at all, because it's a sign of danger. There may be electricity or fast water which can harm you. So this sign says keep away from the place. Now this is a lovely picture of a white dove, and it represents peace. It's called the dove of peace. It is so calm and soothing. It represents that there is peace in this country. Now this picture is the Lady of Justice. As you can see that she is blindfolded and she is holding a weighing balance, showing that whatever may happen, there has to be a justice for each and every person in the country. So whenever there is a court of law or a lawyer, they all put up this picture in their office, just to show that the law is equal for everyone. Even if the eyes are closed, the law will be equal. There will be no partiality. So this picture shows a blindfolded lady of justice. This symbol, I am sure all of you know. It's a thumbs up. Whenever you do something good and you are appreciated by showing a thumbs up, it represents well done and keep it up. It is also used nowadays in WhatsApp in a type of emojis. Coming up next is a red cross sign which you must have seen on a first aid box or on ambulance or in the hospitals. This sign is used to serve the sick and ill people. So, on your first aid box or on your ambulances, if you observe, this is a significant sign which is put up there. Now, this is a picture of two armies, two countries when they are at war, and when they meet at a point, you can see that one country has a white flag whereas the other country has a colored flag. So that they have come face to face. Beta, the white color flag represents two things. One is peace. It shows that there is no war with any country, and the other thing it shows is surrender. When one country surrenders to the other country, then they put up a white flag. So, whenever you see a white flag, it means it shows peace. So, this is the picture of our tricolor flag. But what happened to it? It's not hanging on top. It is half mast. You know, when there is a tragedy in the country or something sad has happened, say for example, some leader has died or there is a war, then what we do in the government offices, we put the flag down the way it is shown in the picture. This flag is called half mast flag, which shows some sad thing has happened in the country. Many soldiers have died in the war. Then what the country does, they put a half mast flag as a mark of respect for those soldiers who have given their lives for the country. Now that I have told you all about the symbols, you must go through your chapter number 18 of your GK book called Famous Symbols, and you must learn them and know their significance always. Alright, so goodbye.